Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bee, and this is number 426 dead tree from. It's got a queen cell in it. It's from 441 dead tree with a blue queen, and we're going to check it to see. I put it. It was in a 3-frame box. I put it in this 5-frame box. We're going to check them and see how they're doing. See if that queen is hatched out. Eating their peppermint. They've got their food. This is just an empty frame here. Just kind of put it in as a spacer. That's all it is. Just sit it right there. Bottom's still clean. They like the peppermint, I think. I don't know if they really like it or they really don't like it. But they're doing something with it. Okay, this one here just got some bees on it so far. I don't see any queen. They have some nectar in there. There's not much of anything on that side. There they go. They got a little nectar in there. This is the one that had the queen cells. It had 3 queen cells in it. Now you know, they got it marked right there. Okay, this one. Let's check the queen cell. That one has been opened. So let's see if we got a queen. We got one that's been opened and one that's not. There's the queen. Little thing just hatched. Right there. Now that other queen cell that's in there, still looks like a good queen cell. Little queen just walking around though. Has some nectar. They're eating their pollen too. Okay, now that queen has just been born. She hasn't had time to. She's looking for food right now. Is what she's looking for. Now, queen cell. What should we do with it? We got the queen, so we could cut this queen cell out or move the whole frame. Don't want to move the whole frame because the queen is happy on that one. So we're going to leave that like that is for a few little bits, and we'll be back. Okay. We may cut that queen cell out, which we probably will, and put it somewhere else. Okay. What we have down here is bees. This one has a hatch queen. She hatched yesterday. She hatched yesterday, so we're going to see how they're doing. And this one here came from 441 too. And they have their food going. That's their little feeder dish. That's a Pepsi Cola bottle with, make sure y'all can see what I'm seeing. Yep. This is a plastic Pepsi bottle that I cut about a pint out of the top, or maybe 4 ounces out of the top. Then I put it in wax, my wax melter, and we completely submerge it and get it completely covered with wax. That'll make it easy for the bees to climb up and down getting their food. They got little arms, little fingers, little legs. This one here is one that had the queen cell. Both queen cells has been open. It looks like they've been robbed out a little bit, so what we're going to have to do is find a queen close up their little hole. Have some pollen. And there's the queen. She's still okay. She's right here. Growing up real good. We're going to stick it back down. We're going to go get some sugar water. Okay, we're going to get some sugar water here. Spray this frame down. As you can see, this is where the queen cell came, or the queen came from. She opened that up, but all this right here has been robbed out. So we're going to fill it up with some sugar syrup, or yeah, sugar syrup. She'll be going out in a week or so, probably into next week. And become mated. What we're doing is spraying sugar water down into the cells. So they got something to eat. They're there protecting the queen. Put her back in there. Well, put their feeder ring back on there. Take the paper out. No bugs. Put that there. Put a little piling on here. Both of these queen cells here came out of 441. What we'll probably do tomorrow is come out and put this one in a nuc box too. Put some honey frames somewhere else in here. But that's that. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up. Give the bees a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Ask questions. And subscribe. Tell other people about us. Y'all have a marvelous day. Be careful out there.